Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the metals price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. This is the intraday for the gold, silver and palladium to see what they did today. So as we mentioned, of course, today confirmation for higher has been taken, 4,100. We have mentioned this today, of course, this level. And that means we might move towards the ABC here as, of course, a signal for higher prices. And that means once we got this, we might see, of course, the 4,156 unfolding as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. We're going to take it from there, of course, in case we continue for higher. Well, there something else is happening here, but I doubt it, guys. Of course, we're going to take it step by step. Because if we move higher, that means, of course, this is 1, 2, 3. Well, we don't have any other option than 1, 2, 1, 2, but it is a little bit low possibility because, of course, this 1, 2 is bigger than this one. Plus, also, this looks like 3 waves toward the upside. So, of course, I was expecting actually the ABC here as a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. And here we are, of course, we're still looking for lower prices at the end once we reach the 4,163. So we gotta be careful with it. Of course, it can be even ending diagonal. Don't forget, there is a possibility in case that it doesn't continue very impulsively toward the upside. So we gotta watch what's gonna happen. Of course, we're still there. Looking for this target or for this key level, I would say. We'll see the reaction. If we see really decisive move here toward the upside, well, okay, we have no other option then rather than talking bullish here. Of course, in a potential 1, 2, big 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are unfolding toward the upside. But step by step, of course, guys, as you know me always. For the silver, if we take a closer look at the silver as well, we're looking here potentially at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, potentially a wave 1 as well. We're looking at a wave 2, and probably here because of what we saw today, where we got invalidation of double 1, 2. Well, okay, that is an expanding flat, guys. Unfolding here A, B, and a C. So I'm gonna, by the way, I have to remove this because invalidated anyway. And I'm gonna clean up here. No need for the very micro level. What we are looking at here is another 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for the gray here. And we're looking, of course, for a potential, yes, A, B, and a C here. The targets for this wave C might be the following as well in an expanding flat wave C. So that might be high, be careful, yeah, so it might reach the high again, and it might be, of course, yeah, very close even to the high, meaning if you are in a 1, 2, if we take the high, well, this is definitely something bullish here, but it's gonna be very, very fast, right? So very interesting what we are looking at here. Also for the silver, looking also very, very strong there as an ABC potentially unfolding. Maybe it's gonna take only the high, maybe only the 1.38, which is the uncommon target, and then dropping down again. Another possibility is, of course, the A, B, C, D, and an E. Yeah, so as well can be a potential scenario for a triangle here, and then moving towards the upside one more time, probably. As well for the gold, can it be the triangle? Well, it's a little bit hard to call, but because this is an impulse, you know, so you cannot call it as a zigzag. But yeah, if you want a zigzag in a triangle, you would like to see this. Yeah, so A, B, C, meaning one more drop, meaning probably, of course, after this wave C there, one more drop, D and an E, and then you move up. Yes, so that is your triangle, a little bit different than the silver. So yeah, so this is regarding the silver. I'm gonna see if this target $53 is gonna be taken, and we'll see the reaction from there. Higher than this, okay, we're bullish, definitely. All right. For palladium as well, palladium, we are looking at those double 1, 2 here after a large 1, 2, 1, 2, and potentially that it might be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in diagonal here. Currently, as I mentioned, as diagonal, you are in the perfect fib levels for a wave 4. It has to be finished, and you hit already the uncommon target 0.618. We see the price reaction already giving us a signal that the things might start to continue toward the upside, and here we are Probably a wave 5 will unfold for higher prices, meaning right now your target might be as well the following as a wave 5 in diagonal. Here we are. So between the 0.618, 0.786, of course, $1,750 minimum target for a wave 5. If the price continues towards the 2000, taking the 1-to-1, meaning, of course, wave 5 is longer than wave 3, this is a major wave 3 unfolding for an impulse after double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 continuation toward the upside. That was it for the metals, the gold, the silver, and the palladium. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.